Hi, I'm Adya, HR recruitment professional, and let's discuss AI in talent acquisition. As recruiters, we've all heard the same fear lately. Is AI going to take our jobs? The truth is more nuanced than that.
AI is already helping talent teams scan thousands of resumes, match candidates to the right roles, and automate tasks. Organizations using AI in hiring are already seeing significantly faster time to hire and big productivity gains. But here's the crucial point. AI is brilliant at patterns and paperwork, yet still weak at people.
It can't truly feel a candidate's hesitation, sense whether someone will thrive in your culture, or build long term trust.
So the future of recruitment isn't AI versus recruiters. It's AI plus recruiters. AI handles sourcing
And workflow automation, while we focus on deep discovery conversations, candidate experience, and strategic hiring decisions. Recruiter 2.0 is not someone who fears AI, but someone who uses it to buy back time, reinvest that time into what only humans can do. Building relationships, guiding hiring managers, and making high quality. If AI can take over your inbox and your spreadsheets, what new level of influence are you ready to step into? AI will not replace recruiters, but recruiters who learn to work with AI will absolutely outperform those who don't. This is how talent acquisition evolves from admin execution to true strategic talent advisory. For more such content, please follow us on Recruiter 2.0 in YouTube. Check the link in description.